Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, verify your Google account by phone to unlock live streaming access. This verification usually completes within 24 hours. Check your channel for any live stream restrictions within the past 90 days. Open YouTube Studio on desktop to start the activation process. Click the Create button, then select Go Live to access initial tools. You will see the Live tab where you manage keys and settings for streaming. Next, copy the stream key from YouTube Studio into your encoder like OBS Studio. In OBS, paste the key under Settings, Stream to link your account quickly. Set output resolution to 1280x720 or 1920x1080 and choose 30 FPS or 60 FPS for smooth video. Select bitrate appropriate to your upload speed, for example 4500 KB. To begin, click Start Streaming in your encoder and check the YouTube preview. Confirm the preview looks correct, then click the Go Live button on YouTube. Monitor live chat, analytics, and stream health in YouTube Studio while broadcasting. Use a wired Ethernet connection to reduce dropouts and improve stability during streams. Test audio levels before going live and aim for consistent peaks around -12 decibels. When finished, stop streaming in your encoder, then end the broadcast on YouTube Studio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.